Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the sweet friends are good and healthy. God bless you all and always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much for watching my previous videos and supporting me. I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see, friends, in this video I am providing you gorgeous and trendy, amazing handmade knitted top dresses, amazing shirts. It's totally crochet items. So friends, don't skip the video, watch the video start to end, because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and useful. I hope you all love these type of beautiful collection and amazing themes. So friends, pick your favorite one and make for you. Viewer, share this video with your family and friends who want these type of beautiful crochet shirts ideas. I really hope that they will love this amazing collection. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors combination and color collection. In this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique designs. You can apply these most amazing designs or most amazing shirts on your crochet items, crochet shirts. So friends, thank you so much for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's an amazing collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet item. So if you all love these article, friends, and if you want more designs, more ideas like my video, subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Friends, when you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me, friends, and remember me in your precious prayers. Okay, my lovely friends, see you soon. Take care. Goodbye and Allah Hafiz.